In this video, we are going to describe about how to create Lightning application. For that, we have to log in into the Salesforce organization. So here I am login into Salesforce. I am using the username that I was created while creating my free developer account. Here it is Salesforce tutor. We have to remember this name, Salesforce tutor. And I am giving my password. There is no need of giving phone number, so I am skipping this. Here, yeah, and here it is the Salesforce developer account. Salesforce is automatically opening, giving the Lightning page. Here it is. And we can move to Classic if we need. But currently there is no company need to work with Classic. So I'll show you how to move to Classic. So here, switch to Classic. I'm clicking on this. Here it is the Classic version. It is the Classic version of Salesforce. And now I am moving to Lightning. Switch to Lightning experience. It is the Lightning page. We can move anytime to Classic and Lightning. Now I am going to describe about how to create application. Here is the standard applications given by the Salesforce. Like these are the service, marketing, community. These are all the standard applications given by the Salesforce by default. Now we are going to create a custom application. Just I show you the standard application, how it looks. Here it is the service standard application. These are the tabs. Account. The tab bar contains accounts. So here I am showing the account object. Inside the object, Salesforce defaultly giving some some records. Here are the standard records. And here we can see all the applications in Salesforce organization. Now I am going to create a standard Lightning Salesforce application here. For that we have to search search in quick find box. So I am searching like app manager. After opening the app manager, the page represents like this. Here it shows all the details about the applications, like which are classic applications, which are Lightning applications. And one thing about applications and everything, the standard applications can't be deleted in Salesforce. We can edit, but we can't delete them. But the custom applications we can delete. Here I am going to create new application. I'm giving the name. Here I am giving name as new application. The developer name is automatically given by the Salesforce. So description is not mandatory, but just I am giving, like I'm writing a small description. Yeah, done. There is no need of uploading image, but I am selecting from my personal device. I am selecting the image. Here I am clicking, after click on upload button. Okay, and we can select the colors also. Here we can select which color we want to display. I'm selecting the colors here. Here is my application name and the image. I'm going on next button. Here it shows where we can use our application, like in desktop or phone or standard and console, and utility items which are going to display in application. I am not selecting it now anything, just I am creating an application. And these are the objects inside the application, which these are all the standard objects, which if we select any object here, these are going to display on the our application page. Here I am selecting account, contact and lead objects. We can see these objects in our application page. Leads. And we can manage the account objects here at any place using the arrows. And I'm going next. Here it represents we are giving the permission to which of the users inside the organization. For now I am using just a system administration. It's done. Now we can go into here. It shows our application name. Here it is new application, and it shows our description, and it is lightning application. Here it is a custom application, we can edit and delete, but the standard applications we can't delete them. We can only delete our custom applications. We can't delete our standard applications. And it is now we are going to see our application here in the applications view all. Here our application is new application. I'm opening it, and in the tab bar we can see the objects that we selected while creating the application, that are lead, account and contact, and this is the application. And next video we are going